Hi there, students. Congenital, an adjective. Congenitally, an adverb. Well, the main meaning of this is a doctor's word. It talks about a disease or a condition that exists when somebody is born. So, congenital heart disease, a condition that you were born with, yeah, and you can't change it, a congenital anomality. Congenital diseases are in your DNA. So there's nothing you can actually do about them. You can make them less serious, maybe, but no more, to palliate. Yeah, he has congenital deafness. Yeah, it's something that he was born with. Yeah, a condition that's present at birth. But nowadays we use this in other ways. We say something that's inherent, an essential characteristic of something. So I think maybe posh people have a congenital taste for neoclassical things. Yeah, he's a congenital liar. It's a basic characteristic in this person. Yeah, they do this congenitally. The congenital optimism of these people gives the idea that all stories have a happy ending. He's a congenital idiot. He's a total idiot. He's an idiot from birth. He's a congenital fool. He lies congenitally. He is a complete hardened habitual liar. Yeah, and if you use congenital like this, you're being critical. Yeah, since birth, something that you've always had. So I guess the system is congenitally stacked against the poor. Yeah. Do you think a liking for good wines is congenital? So being like that because that's your nature. Yeah. He was a congenital snob. Yeah, he was always a snob and always thought that he was being treated unfairly and everybody else was below him. So congenital, normal, innate, inbred, yeah, something that you inherited. He is congenitally unable to tell the truth. Yeah, a congenital liar. Okay, so how formal is this word congenital? I would say it's fairly formal, maybe a 6.5 or a 7 in formality. I think it's most commonly used by doctors, a congenital disease, something you were born with. But you can use it outside that to mean innate, something that you always do, natural, yeah, but normally for something bad. Let's see, it comes from Latin congenitus, yeah, which comes from com, with, and genitus, the past participle of gingere, to bring forth, yeah, to bring forth with. Yeah, okay, to bring forth with it something that you've been brought up with, something that you always have. So a congenital liar, he can't help lying. Yeah, but normally this congenital with something negative. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Congenital.